Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Rebecca V. Suchiang, belong the Chief Secretary Birim Jylla Meghalaya. Hagalai Truk Yayong Arajar Posan, Klabam Smai kum Chief Information Commissioner with Smai Jylla, Nakabintaga Samoy Trikam Kabalais Nem. Yaka Kong Suchiang, Lapan Bam Smai Dulat Jylla Usi H. V. Shankar, Haringkat Kajing Sakilang Jonki Officer Kasorka Jylla, Hagajing Kabalong Haraj Bhavan Shillong. Kumanju pintip hangni baka sorkar dangshan kala ajimen jurban thongi ka kong RV Suchiang kabadai ka officer IAS bala shong than hadin maka shuki Chief Information Commissioner kala sa thli na kajing shong than no jongba H nong plo ubulong officer IPS ha kha sautruk nai wing arajar phausaw.
So with your kind permission, sir, the notification for the appointment will now be read. By the notification number PER 22/2008/326 dated 28th March, in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 15(3) of the Right to Information Act 2005, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to appoint Srimati R.V. Suchiang, IS retired, as State Chief Information Commissioner Meghalaya to exercise the powers conferred on and to perform the functions assigned to her under the Act for a period of 3 years from the date of joining or till she has attained the age of 65, whichever is earlier. The term of office, salaries, allowances, and other terms and conditions of service will be in accordance with the right to information, term of office, salaries, allowances, and other terms and conditions of service of the Chief Information Commissioner, Information Commissioners in the Central Information Commission, State Chief Information Commissioner and State Information Commissioners in the State Information Commission Rules 2019, signed by Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Personnel and ARA Department. So now with your kind permission, I would request Honorable Governor to administer the oath to Srimati R.V. Suchiang, IAS retired, as the State Chief Information Commissioner, Meghalaya.
I,
Rebecca V. Suchiang, having been appointed State Chief Information Commissioner, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, by and law established, and I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully, and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
lady. Please.
So with the kind permission, we will all stand for the motion.